Hey, it's Jack Miller here from Jack's Digital Ventures, and welcome to my Passion Over Profits review. On today's agenda, we're going to cover: is it a scam? How does it work? Is it worth buying? And are there better alternatives? Make sure you stay to the end so you can have all the info you need to make an informed decision. Plus, I do also have a special free gift for you. But before we begin, you must be wondering who I am and why you should be listening to me. So, my name is Jack Miller, and I've been making money online and working from home for the past 6 years. But my story begins about 7 years back when I was hit with some nasty health complications, which left me with a ton of medical bills. And this was on top of having a 9 to 5 call center job I absolutely hated. My life was just a complete living nightmare with no hope of escape. I just couldn't take it anymore, and I knew I had to do something. So I hopped on the internet to find a way to make money online and turn my life around. In my struggles, I bought a bunch of different programs and courses, and some of them worked, but most of them did not. But luckily enough for me, I was eventually able to pay off all my medical bills. And I was even able to leave my 9 to 5 job for a period of time. So if you like videos about making money online, then feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. And before we begin, here's a quick disclaimer. I did buy and use this program, so what I'm sharing is my personal experience and opinion. Also, some links below are affiliate links, which means I earn a commission if you buy through them at no extra cost to you. And just to be clear, these are my personal results. Results can vary and there are no guarantees. Always make sure to do your own research. Alright, now with that out of the way, let's get started. So what is this program? Passion Over Profits, or POP for short, is a digital marketing educational course and mentorship program. The program mainly focuses on teaching students how to make sales through social media marketing on Facebook and Instagram. The program also includes master resell rights, which means those who purchase POP are legally able to resell the program and keep 100% of the profits. And who is the creator? The creators of the program are Daniel Cho and Nathan Bakkers, collectively known as the Wealth Warriors. Daniel Cho is a well-known successful digital marketer who got his start by overcoming his massive credit card debt and impending threat of divorce by becoming wealthy through affiliate marketing. And Nathan Bakkers is also a well-known successful digital marketer who overcame his strenuous truck driving job with affiliate marketing due to his desire to spend more quality time with his wife and kids. And how does the program work? Students will first join the online community on school, where the video courses are hosted and where students and mentors can interact with each other. Students will then watch the video courses teaching them setup for their funnels and social media profiles, effective traffic generating content techniques, and sales closing techniques. Students will then implement what they've learned by creating content targeting those most likely to buy, and then inviting those prospects to speak more in direct messaging. Once prospects are speaking to students through direct messaging, students will then attempt to close sales and make money. Students will continue the cycle of creating content and closing prospects to continue making money. Students who hit roadblocks or need support are also welcome to attend weekly Zoom coaching calls hosted by Daniel, Nathan, or other mentors. Okay, so is it a scam? POP is not a scam. I know this because I've personally purchased and used the program myself and have made a profit from it. And now it's time to go over the good and the bad. Let's start off with the good. Number 1, it's possible to make money relatively fast with the techniques the program teaches. Assuming you work hard and follow what the program teaches closely, it's possible to make your first high-ticket sale within the first day or two. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you wanted to make money relatively quickly, then POP could make that possible for you. Number 2, having the master resell rights and being able to resell POP itself is great. Creating your own product can be a daunting task, but since you're allowed to resell POP itself, that means you can hit the ground running making money online. You can make sales almost immediately selling a product that you don't have to run or maintain yourself. Number 3, the community support is fantastic. If you ever need help or support, you can always just write a post on the message board or hop on the group Zoom calls. Daniel and Nathan themselves are also relatively quick to respond too. And now here's the bad. Number 1, there's almost too much educational content. For many of the students who first buy POP and are just looking to make money as quickly as possible, the number of different marketing strategies presented to them might be overwhelming. Should you do Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or TikTok? The number of choices may cause analysis paralysis for those looking for more of a straightforward path. Number 2, social media shutdowns occur every now and then. I wouldn't say getting banned is common, but it's not super rare either. Thankfully, Pop has a protocol for when this does occur, but it's still annoying. Number 3, this program requires hard work. This might sound like a weird thing to say, but you wouldn't believe the number of people who buy make money online programs and expect an automated money printing machine. If I ever do find a program like that, I'll let you know, but for now, if you want to be successful with Pop, just expect that it will require hard work. And now let's go over how I personally did with the program. So cutting to the chase, I am officially profitable with Pop just by reselling the course itself. But if I had to factor in all the other digital products I've sold through what I learned through Pop, I've made over $40,000. Your results may vary, of course, but for me personally, Pop has been a worthwhile investment. So what's the final verdict? Pop is a fantastic program for anyone looking to make money online, beginners and experts included. The quality educational videos, the great community support, and ability to resell the program itself are all valuable features that make it easier for students to succeed. Although it's not a get-rich-quick scheme and effort will be required, anyone up to the challenge will most likely have a positive experience. Okay, so that's all well and good, so what should you do if you're interested in this program? You can pick it up from the link in the pinned comment below. And if you pick it up through my link, I'll even give you a special bonus package. It's called Jack's Escape Method. And it's basically everything I know about making money online in one easy-to-access package. The first part of this package is a video case study called Escape in 9 Months. It goes over exactly what I did in 9 months to make enough money online to temporarily leave my call center job. The second part of the package is a Canva template for video reviews. This is the exact same template I use to make my video reviews on YouTube, so you could follow in my footsteps if you wanted to. The last part of the package is 10 email templates personally written and polished by me. I designed them to be used with any Make Money Online offer, so you could potentially use them to sell anything you want to your leads. Of course, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme and it's going to take a lot of effort and there are no guarantees. But if you're willing to put in the necessary work, I think you'll likely have a positive experience with my bonus package. So if you're interested in Jack's Escape Method, just take a picture of your receipt and then email the receipt to jack@jacksdigitalventures.com and I'll take care of the rest. Okay, so that's all well and good, but what if you're not interested in this program? Is there an alternative that's just as effective or potentially better? There sure is. And how can you find out more about this alternative? By checking out my free gift in the pinned comment below. It's a free online training about my personal favorite strategy to make money online. The same strategy that helped me pay off my medical bills and escape from my 9-to-5 job for a period of time. Again, check out the pinned comment below to get started with my free training. But that's all from me today. Thanks for watching my video. You take care and have a great day.